about to go out because it's Special Tuesday, right? March is about to finish, April is about to come, and the weather, unbelievable. It's getting hotter and hotter. Mid-July, it's gonna become hell. If you want to experience the real hell, come to Oman, and yeah. What is that?
Croissant.
Okay. So Omanis believe that a big meteorite was the cause of that giant hole, and now there's fine water in there and people come from everywhere in that place for swimming and having a good time. So, and the hole, the weather was perfect. But on the ground, one more time, the sun exactly there, and wow, you have no idea, it's burning my skin. But anyway, time to cook. Again, we have to make fire, which is crazy. Who's gonna make fire in this weather? It's already a hell itself, but we have to do it. No other option. It's raining, unfortunately. The Special Tuesday cooking with Sam is not happening. It's raining and it's impossible to do it. I think we have to go back home, right? Sam is preparing the food, like always. Say hi.
Hello.
We're gonna have very special chicken today. It's gonna be very high calorie, but I think it's okay. It's coconut shell. Look at this. This is so unfortunate. Like if we can't find any matches around, can't make the fire. China. I think we used it 2 times, 3 times. Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. Guess you didn't find anything.
Okay, it's good?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rain, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Yes. Maybe he'll come to rain, yeah?
An Omani guy helped us with a match, so now we have fire. Thank God he was there. Like, very nice people. Our curls are finally ready. Dude, it was a full gym session for itself. vlog is kind of like over. We have to go home at 6 in the afternoon, and I haven't uploaded my yesterday's vlog, but it was such a nice day. It was such a nice journey with a lot of help. It became more better. So Sammy's there drinking water, and she has to drive us home. Long road. So, yeah. Double rainbow, baby, come on.